Welcome, brainers! Have you ever struggled with a Microsoft Store error that says, "There's been an error, sorry about that, something went wrong," and is typically associated with the error code you see on the screen? If you've run into this issue, you're not alone. In this video, I'll show you the best possible solutions to fix this issue. No matter what app it is, Xbox, Airdash, or even something else, you'll be able to install it successfully and start using it right away. With no further ado, let's get started. Solution 1. Repair and reset the Microsoft Store app. Please right-click on the Start button and select Settings. From there, go to System. Then look for System Components. You should find Microsoft Store in this list. Click the three-dot menu next to it and choose Advanced Options. Start with the Repair option to check if it resolves the issue. And if the problem persists, go ahead and use the Reset option. Solution 2. Re-register app packages using PowerShell. Please search for PowerShell in the Start menu and run it as an administrator. Once it's open, copy this command provided in the video description, paste it into PowerShell, and press Enter. You might see some errors during the process. Don't worry, you can ignore them. This command will attempt to re-register all app packages. Solution 3. Repair system files. Search for command prompt and run it as an administrator. Once it's open, type this command. All the commands I'm using are available in the video description. Please wait for the process to finish. Next, let's run a quick SFC scan. Just type this command and hit Enter. Allow some time for it to complete. Once done, check if the issue is fixed. Solution 4. Cancel the app download and start fresh. Open the Microsoft Store app. Navigate to Downloads. Please find the app that's giving you trouble. It's Airdash in my case, but it could be any other app for you. Click the three-dot menu next to it and select Cancel Download. That's it. Now you can try installing the app again. It worked for me, so hopefully it will work for you too. And if you're still facing issues, don't forget the magic step. Just restart your PC and see if that clears up the problem. I hope you found this helpful. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more useful videos. Thanks for watching.